going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I know I am. Yesterday, we had a little get together at Car Mobs. Thanks, Car Mob. We appreciate you, man. Good friendship, good food. Shoot, man, you can't beat that. You know what I mean? Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, guys, today I'm out here Sunday working on Fairmont. I put some of the sound deadening in the back seat here. I need to put it under the seat and do the rest of it. I got plenty to do it because I had to order some, so I got it, and I've been working on it. Plowed my driveway, my neighbor's driveway across the street, and his neighbor's driveway today. So, yeah, I'm kind of wore out today, you know what I mean? Yeah, buddy. So, let's turn this around and see what we got going. Alrighty then, so we got the front seat done, the front floor done, and the back floor done. How's that? Is that better? Oh, yeah. So everything's looking good, and I think we're good. So now we got to do back here. And I was, kind of wondering if I should do under the seat here, if it'd be okay, I mean, let me know what you guys think. But I got the sound deadener, and I've already paid for it, and I've used some of it out of the box, so I'm guessing I might as well go ahead and do it, So it don't look like it'd be too bad to do. Yeah, no, not too bad at all. So we'll get her done and get her in there. Oh, yeah, buddy. So I just figured I'd make a short video and let you know what's going on in Mr. Mach 1's garage today. Let's see what's happening. Let me turn this back around. Take me a seat. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, guys, I wanted to put a 351 Cleveland in this thing. I really did. The engine that I wanted to build is just going to be way, way, way more expensive than I want to pay. Or that I have the money to pay for, because by the time I'm said and done with that thing and the heads and the block alone, $6,200. So that kind of tells you what direction that's going. So, and I'm not caging this car up and dropping it, and I don't want to go that fast. I'm not worried about it. You know what I mean? If I want to go that fast, I'll do it the easy way and put a tune on the Coyote. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go with the Ford Performance crate motor. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a Windsor base 427. That should be plenty enough power, and the car should be, stiff enough to be able to handle that. You know what I mean? It's not going to be a race car. I'm going to drive it. I'm going to put full interior and stuff in the car, which I've always planned. And it's going to be a nice car. I can get in and drive it, whatever. It's not going to be driven in the rain or nothing like that or on long trips because, I'd have to trailer it because the gas mileage wouldn't be too good. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah. And that was a Thumper 427 small block. Ooh, baby. But so I'm just kind of letting you guys know that the direction has changed. But once again, I've been making videos on this car since 2013 or 2012. I don't know, somewhere like that. So that just tells you how long I've had the car. And I plan on keeping the car. My father-in-law, I bought the car. He went with me to go pick it up. So he's gone now. So it's kind of got a little bit of sentimental value, Nothing like the Mach 1, of course, but, the 70 Mach 1, that is. So I'm gonna keep this car. I'm gonna make a nice car out of it. Of course, I could put a cage in it, but I just don't want to spend that kind of money. I ain't got that kind of money to spend. I spend it all on my damn house. Now I got to spend another $6,000 for 6 more windows. Because, yeah, we found a leak in there. One of the windows were leaking. I'm like, oh, no. We might as well replace them all. They're just small windows. But still, $1,000 a window. That's kind of high. Well, it's a little cheaper than that. But rounded off, it's $1,000. So, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. I just wanted to give you a little update what's going on in Mr. Mach 1's garage. Another great day. Oh, yeah, buddy. And Car Mob, thanks for the invite, buddy. We had a good time, good food. Can't beat it. You know what I mean? Got to see Sublime. Sublime was there. His wife was there. Good people, man. And Funky, we missed you, man. We really did. And you guys have a great rest of your day. And I will talk with you all soon. And I'm going to tell you something. You guys are awesome. If anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome.